how to ensure that you have the most recent version of Messenger installed on your device. Let's get started. Now, open the App Store if you are using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. Use the search bar of the screen to search for Messenger. If there is an update available for Messenger, you will see an update button next to the app in the search results or on the Messenger app page. Tap on the update button to download and install the latest version of Messenger on your device. Wait for the update to download and install. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed and the size of the update. Once the update is complete, tap on the open button to launch Messenger. After that, return to your home screen and click on the settings icon. After you click on the settings, go through the general and click on iPhone storage. Then search for the Messenger app here and tap on it. Then simply offload the app. It can help improve performance and free up valuable storage on your device. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.